Today I'm going to show you how to create daily backups in Zoho CRM, which is a service that we offer. So regularly in Zoho you've got the option to back up your data using the standard backup service. So that's available twice a month on a regular subscription, or you can increase it to every week or do an immediate download, and that will send you a link to the data which you can access. So this works in a lot of cases, but if you need more frequent backup, for instance daily, or you want to store it in a separate location, then you need a separate solution. So we developed our own capability to do this, and thought we'd share that with you on this YouTube today. So how it works is it just uses the standard scheduled reporting facility in Zoho. So I've created this schedule, but I'm going to delete that one for now, and then go to all reports, and I've created a contacts backup. Now all as this is a full backup of all of the fields in the contacts module. So you can see here a whole bunch of demo data, and if I edit this report, then you'll see that I've added in all of the columns because I want to back up everything in this case. But you wouldn't have to back up everything, you might just want to back up certain fields or critical fields. So that report is created, it's called the contacts backup, and what I'm going to do now is create a scheduled report. So you do that by clicking scheduled reports and click new report schedule, and then choose the report that you wish to back up. And I generally work in CSVs rather than Excels, get rid of the formatting. And then the start date, so I'm just going to put this one in, it's now 3 o'clock, so I'm just going to go with 3:02, so it happens quickly so I don't have to edit too much out. And then here's your repeat type, so you can do daily backups if you like, or you may choose to do weekly, but then the Zoho one is twice weekly, so this would only come into play if you wanted daily backups, weekly backups, or you wanted to store to a separate location. We're going to use Google Drive in this instance. So I'm going to go daily, and then we're going to send it via email and use the default template, it's fine. And then choose recipients and choose your admin user to receive it. But also in the additional recipients, you're going to add in whatever we give you as a service. So we would provide you with our integration service address. You'd have an individual one for each of your each customer. And so we're going to schedule that now. So that's going to initiate in 1 minute or so. And then what it's going to do is going to run the background, and it's going to create, let's remove this one. So in Google Drive now, which is completely separate to Zoho obviously, I've created a folder called Zoho Backups, and what's going to happen is that scheduled report is going to run. It's going to run it through our integration service and then place the daily backup in this folder. Okay, so you can now see that that's been added. The contacts backup was added at 3:02, and that would happen daily with the updates. And then let's have a look at some of the output. So if we open this one up, then you'll see that that's got all of the data from that scheduled report, all the fields and so on. So you'd just be able to have daily backups, and then if you ever needed to do an update, you could run it against these IDs and do an update or rebuild the whole platform. But essentially that's a really simple way of getting daily backups. So hopefully that helps. Thank you.